How long does Temu take to deliver? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how long does Temu actually take to deliver products, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've been wondering how long Temu actually takes to deliver products, it's actually quite simple. There are two things over here. One is that if you made the order within your own country, or if you ordered something that was not available in the country, depending upon where you live in, this might actually take a couple of months. Now to figure this out, you can just go to orders and accounts tab and then just go to the your orders tab over here. When you go to your orders tab, you should be able to see all the order, and then you'll be able to see the order status as to where it has been reached, whether it has already been packaged, already been shipped to the warehouse, already been delivered to you. You'll be able to see the condition of those orders. If it's a national order that you made, you'll be able to actually receive your product within like a week or something. But if it has already been, or maybe you ordered something from international countries outside of your border, depending upon where you live in, it could actually quite take over a month or two, at the maximum of 2 to 3 months. So that's the thing you want to understand, because everything plays a vital role in this delivery stuff. Your region that you live in, the amount of international shipping that occurs in that country, and everything actually varies a lot of it. So the best thing to do is to simply go to all orders and see the current status of your order. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.